What's up everyone, how's it going? It's your boy Eric Luis of Review Life TV. Welcome back to the channel. And today we got something very special, very big lined up for y'all. And we're talking about a Lamborghini Huracan that's in the garage, not for just any service. No, guys, it's here for an engine swap. This is the Lamborghini Huracan, a supercar icon with 610 horsepower, a 5.2 liter V10 engine, and 0-60 in just 3.2 seconds. But it's not going anywhere yet. Why? Because this beast needs a V10 motor swap to roar back to life. Once complete, it'll be back on the streets, ready for someone to unleash all that power.